It's on you.
All right, y'all, this is Melvin with Narrow Path Roofing and Construction. Once again, as you see, the old repair attempt, we're here again to attempt it one more time. As we see, the old repair attempt, it did fail, but because it was stated that we lifted the shingle too high, and it was also stated that we didn't take an overview, so if you can come show an overview. So we're gonna come back out and do another. So we see right here, this is the damaged shingle here. So we're gonna take this shingle right here and do a attempt of repair. Obviously we see there's no other damage wind pre-shingle in this area, so we're gonna go from here. All right. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and mark it. So boom, boom, boom. If you can come down a little bit, that way they can see, like squat down, that way they can see I'm not lifting the shingle. You decided to sit down, you're gonna get hot.
I'll be all right.
All right, so the first row is off. Whoever installed this put a cluster of nails right here. I wish I could lift up this to show you, but it's a cluster of nails right there. All right, damaged shingle out. As you see, we have some ripping going on. You know, as the shingles you see right here, you know, easily brittle. So that's the old one. I do want to document that we see here that we have creasing already. And that's just the removal. And once again, putting in the new shingle.
Move that out the way. I want to get a picture of it out the way.
Just
a picture of it taken out.
Did you stop the video?
No, you could take a picture while the video's still going.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
I did not know you could take a picture while the video is going.
Yeah.
All right, once again, take 2 of this repair attempt. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the install of the shingle. Once again, if you could get to the side so they can see how far I'm lifting the shingle. So this is the roof snake. I'm only gonna lift the shingle. As we see, the roof snake is causing the shingle to be lifted that high. I'm not doing anything to compromise or anything like that. This is just how high the roof snake is forcing the shingle to be lifted. Once again, just placing the roof snake up under. As we see, once again, the roof snake, that's just how high it's lifting the shingle. This is that area with the cluster of nails. Right, so as we see, I'm gonna put an F, gonna put an F, gonna put an F, gonna put an F, and it was beginning to do it right there. But as we see, once again, that this shingle is damaged. The shingle above, I'm sorry, is damaged. And we'll take photos of after as well. But other than that, thanks.